Hey everyone, welcome to Otithi Bhoj. Today we are going to make Gwalando steamer curry. Let's check the ingredients. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken, 1 inch ginger paste, 15 to 16 garlic cloves, 5 medium sized onions, half cup of mustard oil, 6 green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 red chili paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here is the magic ingredient, that is prawn paste. I have taken 100 grams of prawn. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Adding the onions. In goes garlic. Adding ginger paste. Adding the green chilies. There goes the red chili paste. Turmeric powder. Some salt to taste. Mustard oil. Prawn paste. Let's mix all the ingredients properly. Please note that for this recipe mixing is very much important. You have to mix it very well. The pressure of your hands will allow all the spices to go inside the chicken pieces. Now this marination is ready. Let's keep it for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, the marination is completely ready. Now let's cook the chicken. Adding 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Let me tell you, there is a beautiful story behind this recipe. This recipe belongs to the ferryman of Gwalando Ghat, which is currently in Bangladesh. Before partition of Bengal, there was a train service from Shialda to Gwalando Ghat. The name of the train was East Bengal Express. Now, after reaching Gwalando Ghat, which was the last station, people had to cross the river by boat or steamer. During this boat ride, a special curry was made by the ferryman with the limited resources available. And that special curry is popularly known as Gwalando steamer curry. Today we are trying to recreate the same magic through our cooking. Well, now it's time to get back to cooking. Let's add the chicken. Let's cover the lid now. After 10 minutes, give it a stir. The chicken is now almost 40% cooked. We have to cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Now cover the lid again for 15-20 minutes. By that time I will continue with the same story. From Gwalando Ghat, steamer travelled up to Narayanganj in Dhaka, and from there people moved ahead to Sylhet or Chittagong. During this journey they enjoyed this fowl curry. Gradually the travellers started enjoying this recipe and loved it so much that it became famous. So this is more or less the history of Gwalando steamer curry. Now quickly let's get back to cooking. After 15 minutes. Now this beautiful Gwalando steamer curry is absolutely ready and the aroma is just heavenly. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.